In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for sharing ideas and inspiration, but sometimes it can feel a little lonely when you're on there by yourself. So why not invite your friends to join in on the fun? Let's dive into the steps you need to take to connect with your friends on Pinterest. First things first, make sure you have the Pinterest app opened on your device, or go to the Pinterest website and sign in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's quick and easy to set one up. Just follow the prompts on the screen, and before you know it, you'll be ready to start pinning. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of the screen. You'll find the search bar. This is where we'll be starting our search. Click on that search bar and get ready to enter your friend's name or their Pinterest username. It's great when you know exactly what to type, but if you don't worry. Just enter whatever you remember. For example, if your friend's name is Sarah and you know she uses her full name, type in Sarah. If she goes by something different on Pinterest, that's okay too. Try that instead. After typing in your friend's name or username, press Enter. This will give you a list of search results. Pinterest will show you boards, pins, and yes, user profiles related to your search term. But our goal here is to find your friend's profile, so let's refine our search a bit. Now, look for the filter or menu option at the top left corner of the results. Clicking on that will give you different categories to filter by, and you want to select Profiles. This will narrow down the search results significantly, making it much easier to find your intended friend. Glancing through the profiles listed, take your time to find your friend's profile. You might recognize their profile picture, which will help you pinpoint the right person among all of the options. Once you find your friend's profile, click on their profile picture. This action will take you directly to their profile page, where you can see all of the cool boards and pins they've created. It's exciting to see what your friends are pinning and sharing. Finally, look for the Follow button. It should be right below their profile description. Clicking on that Follow button will send them a notification, letting them know that you're now following them on Pinterest. This is a great way to stay updated on what they are pinning, and it encourages them to follow you back, opening up a whole new avenue for sharing and discovering together. And just like that, you've added a friend on Pinterest. How easy was that? Now you can engage with each other's boards, share ideas, and who knows, maybe even plan future projects together inspired by what you both pin. So to recap, we started by signing into Pinterest, using the search bar to locate your friend by name or username, filtering the results to find profiles, and finally clicking to follow them. It's a great way to connect and collaborate on your favorite ideas and inspirations. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide on how to add friends on Pinterest, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. By doing so, you support our community and ensure that you don't miss out on helpful tips and tricks in the future. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and happy pinning!